Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of Java Learning. In this video, we will learn to print message in our programming using any language. That is, we are concerned about Unicode. So, this is actually the Devanagari Unicode characters available for me to write in Hindi. Okay, this is the first page. You have more Unicode characters. So using this, I'm going to print message. So let us see a small program in Java. So this is public class Unicode. This is main method. I'm printing here India. And friends, India in Hindi we call Bharat. So I have written another message. India is known as Bharat in Hindi. And Bharat is written how? Let us see. These are the characters. Okay. \U092D. This is for the first character. Then you have a matra A. That is \U0964 and so on for the other characters that we need to print for Bharat. And when I run this program, this is India is getting printed. India is known as Bharat in Hindi, and this is actually the word Bharat in Hindi. So now let us go to bluej and run the same program. Just a minute friends. Let us go to bluej. So this is here the code is written, the same code. Okay, this India will be called what? Bharat. And for this character, this is the Unicode \U092D. For this A we call as matra. So this is \U0964, and for R it is \U0931, and this is the for this will be written as \U0924. Now let us compile this program and now close it and run the main method. So terminal window is here. Okay, I have run it before, so the output is there. Let me close this and let me run once more main method. So this is how it is getting printed using Unicode. So if you look at your program, any message in double quotes, if you want to print in your own language, you use the Unicode characters, and the Unicode characters you Google it and you will get it. Okay, so this is how, and you can copy the characters very easily. This is how you can copy paste in your Java programming, but before that you add \U. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning from E-SHIKSHA.